I try to start most of my rides here at the harbor mouth on the shore of Lake Michigan. A wonderful fall view. This is a pedestrian cycle path, a fantastic new asset in our community. It's short, but more being built down the road and hopefully connected in the next few years. A new modern rest area along the path has been completed. Let's do a walk around this fine facility. Uh-oh, the path ends. Back to the roads. Now, Harbor Country has many different bike routes. See the description for information on Harbor Country trails and backroad bikeways. These apples on the road are part of the Apple Cider Century Ride. 5,000 to 6,000 riders descend on the village of Three Oaks just down the road to ride one of the beautiful routes here in southwest Michigan on the last Saturday in September. Many resurfaced roads are making cycling here much more pleasurable. Now, let's take a look at some of the nice homes on the way back. Saw a number of these on today's ride. And a last look at Lake Michigan before the short ride home.